In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Gmail easily using Zapier. This integration can streamline your email marketing efforts by automating the process between these two powerful tools. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to sign up for an account on Zapier. Zapier is a versatile tool that connects different apps to automate workflows. If you haven't already, head over to the Zapier website and create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts, and once you're in, you'll have access to a wide range of features designed to make your digital tasks easier to manage. After signing up, the next thing you want to do is create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow that tells your apps what to do when something happens. Look for the option on the dashboard that says Create Zap and click on it. This will open up a new window where you will set up your integration step by step. You'll start by setting up your trigger. For this, you'll need to select Gmail as your trigger app, since we'll be initiating this process through Gmail. Once you've selected Gmail, it's time to choose the specific trigger. A trigger is an event in Gmail that will kickstart this workflow. For instance, you could select a trigger like new email or label added to email, depending on how you want the integration to initiate. Next, it's time to set up the action component of your Zap. This is where Mailchimp comes into play. Choose Mailchimp as the action app. This is what you want Zapier to interact with after the trigger event in Gmail. Within Mailchimp, decide on an action you want to automate, such as add a subscriber to a list or send a campaign. It's all about what works best for your business needs. Now, with the trigger and action set, we'll need to connect our accounts. Zapier will guide you through the process of authenticating your Gmail and Mailchimp accounts. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and grant the necessary permissions when prompted. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier to access and interact with your accounts securely. Once your accounts are connected, it's time to test your Zap to ensure that everything works as planned. Zapier provides a testing tool to make sure your automation runs smoothly and without hitches. Follow the prompts during the test phase, and watch carefully for any errors or prompts for further action you may need to take. Finally, when you're confident that the integration is working as intended, click on the Publish button to activate your Zap. This simple click will launch your new automated workflow, linking Mailchimp and Gmail seamlessly. Congratulations, you've just set up a nifty time-saving integration that will help keep your email communications efficient and organized. And there you have it. Connecting Mailchimp to Gmail using Zapier is as simple as that. With just a few steps and a little bit of setup, you can automate your email marketing efforts quickly and effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.